In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and tap on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Then just hold one of your photos you wanna delete. And to pick multiple, use those icons at the top right corners. Now tap on a photo or multiple you wanna keep, and to get rid of the rest, use bin button, in this case at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!